You painting your toes? Did somebody paint your toes today at school? Who painted Cora's toes?
Oh!
You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. It goes there.
Sit.
Yeah. Oh, you're supposed to sit when you do it?
Yeah. You go. No, Baba. Feet?
You need more paint?
Yeah.
Okay. You putting more on? You
More?
you need more?
Yeah.
All right, get more on.
What?
Yeah. Did somebody paint Cora's feet? Who painted Cora's feet? Did Mama paint them?
No.
Did Daddy paint them?
No.
Did Allison paint them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Allison paint your feet today? Good job. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mama fun?
Yeah, Mama's fun.
Honey?
Yeah,
Cat?
yeah, the funny cat. All right.